Welcome to part 2 of Scraping the Web with Python and Beautiful Soup. So today we'll be scraping this web page. Here, as we can see, it's the Flipkart site of where a list of Samsung mobile phones are shown. So today we'll be scraping out the contents of this web page and let's see what we can do with this. Import url dot request, import ps4 as bs. Then what we got to do is we have to store the web page in a html variable. So url dot request dot url open, give the address of the web page dot read. Then what we got to do is, let's say we create a beautiful soup object, equals to bs dot beautiful soup. Okay, we pass here the html variable and we'll be using lxml parser. Let's print bs obj dot prettify. So before running the code, what we got to do is we have to do paste the link to the web page and let's see if it works or not. So getting back to the web page, I was checking it out. So what you got to do is, as we have to scrape this data like the Samsung Galaxy S9 whatever, it's you have to get the title, or that is the name of the phone, the ratings, the reviews, the specifications and the price. So for that we have to find in under which tag it's present. So we can do it directly by inspecting it. As we can see here, all the data is present under the div tag class of phgxx2 com1212. So we'll be working on this. So getting further inside the class, you can see here uh, that the title is present under the div class of call sev. Okay, the title is present under this underscore 3w53n. So it's under the div tag. So let's first extract the name of the phone. Okay, here as you can see, the entire website has been given in HTML format, but we don't require it for now. So we'll directly go there for for items in bs obj dot find all. We'll be finding the div classes and for the class, finding out the class part, you can do it in two ways. One is this is a key value pair. You take out a key value pair for the class, you give the value of the class. As you can see, the primary classes are present under this phx, this class. So we'll be finding all the details. So let's print that items dot text. It's all well, we can see the documents, like it's in a paragraph format, but still we are getting all the details. These all the details we're getting. So let's get deeper and let's go and find some more details. So what we got to do is, as you can see here, this is the name, the name of the phones are under this class. So we'll be printing the names of the phone. Say let's print items dot find. Okay, as I said, there are two ways of getting into this. The one is the div way, one is the key value method, and another is simply you declare the class underscore equals to, and set that you write the name of the class, and let's see what comes. Okay, as you can see here, the more or less we can see the names of the phone here, except we get a first few null values. These are most probably because this class is present before this somewhere else in the body tag. So what we gotta do is just build a try and exception code, try and except pass. It should work well. Okay. Dot text. Okay, we get an error. Okay, that error was most probably due to the port issues. Like it takes some moment to close the port. So that's all. So here we get the names of the mobile phones, and then let's take the rating. Okay. Again, you can see the rating is present in this class, the span, or the span ID. You get another class div tag. Okay, the rating is present on the div tag in the class HGSR34. So what we got to do is we'll be printing the ratings also. Items dot find div class is this. This should work perfectly. Let's print a couple of new lines and let's check that out. Yeah, as you can see here, it's working perfectly. It's fair. So next what we are going to do is this, we have to get the ratings and the reviews. So for that you can see this is the span class. Okay, under the span class you can see the details are present, so we'll be using this class. So print items dot find this present in the span class. Okay, span tag under the class. This should work. Yeah. Okay. This was the code. Let's run that. So as you can see here, the details are the present. We're getting all these ratings and these reviews. So what we got to do is we got the text out. Yeah, it works. Now see. Yeah. So the next thing we got to do is let's say we get the details of this. Okay, this is the these all details. So where it's present, we have to find it out first. So this all, I guess this is the present, this all are present in this class, div class under the ul tag. Okay, li tag, the list tag. So for li in items dot find all, this is present under the li tag, and the class is the class. Okay, so let's print the li dot text values. Hope so it works. Yeah, it's working quite well. So finally what we have to do is, let's say we have to find it in a, we have to find the values of the phone's price of the phone, I mean. So a easy way to get the tag of the phone is price is this. Just go and inspect. So as you can see here, this is the class under the div tag. So let's print that as well. Print items dot find all. Okay, not find all, it's find, because there is only one price per phone, so you have to adjust that. Div, and then you can simply write class equals to control v dot text. So as you can see here, all the documents are coming out perfectly. Like there's the name of the phone, there's the rating, then the descriptions, the reviews, then the description about the specification about the phone, and then is the price. So it's working quite well. The next thing we'll be doing is we'll be storing, okay, we'll be traversing to this website. Okay, when you click on getting a website like this, so a web page, in fact, where if you get down, you can see the important notes about the EMIs, then there's a product description, then from where it's sold, then additional things you can buy with it, and then all the specifications, then there's the ratings and reviews for different parts. Like for the camera you get 4.3, for battery you get 2.3, for display it's 4.5, for value it's value for money is 4.3. Then the main thing you get is the customer reviews. So in the next video we'll be scraping all the customer reviews and all other documents associated with this phone. For all the list of the phones present here, we'll be traversing, for each phone we'll be traversing to its separate web page, and we'll be taking out the documents, and let's see what to do with that. Till then, take care.